ASMR mic check. I think it's working pretty good. Me too. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ken from Nippon Bro, and today we are talking about how to make videos on Instagram Reels, and also how I do my B-roll on Instagram Reels. But you guys know the drill. Intro. Hey guys, how's it going? So I just wanted to talk a little bit about Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels started as a beta format, and it basically wants to replace TikTok in a sense because TikTok has been banned in some countries, especially in India where they lost 200 million users. So Instagram is obviously trying to catch that bit of the pie, and there has been a lot of hype about it when they did the beta release in India. Now, having said that, I think for myself, just thinking how Instagram was so hyped with the whole Reels edition, I think it was a bit too much, and it is still missing key features that TikTok still has, and that is to be able to do duets and also to be able to upload music directly. So those are two major features I think that kind of made a lot of people go viral and help other people grow as well by doing duets. So that's kind of my take on it, but let me just show you how I do my Instagram Reels and how I take some B-roll edits within the 15 seconds that Instagram Reels gives me. So let's just hop onto my phone here. Hey guys, so now we're just going to go onto Instagram Reels from your profile. To be able to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your profile picture. If there is no plus sign there, that's totally fine. You're just going to press on here and it's going to take you to your stories. You're going to go up here to your little other profile picture and it's going to take you to Instagram Reels. When you go onto this page, it's going to automatically be defaulted to stories. So what you want to do is just tap onto Reels, and then now you're in Reels mode. Now to be able to take a video, you're just going to go right here and click on the shutter button once. Is going to take the video, so that's a good feature. You don't have to keep holding on to that shutter button. And then if you want to stop, just simply stop. Now to check out the film that you just filmed, you're just going to go hit the left arrow and it's going to show you the film, and you can actually adjust it and trim it down to the part where you'd like it, and or delete the actual film and go discard. So you can start all over again. And the next one is to be able to choose your music. So you're just going to go here where the music symbol is, and it'll show you the list of music that's available for you. It just kind of shows you, I guess, in terms of what you've recently used or what's popular right now where you are. Or you can go ahead to browse and it'll show you different genres of songs, and or you can just tap on search music and you can just type in whichever music you'd like if you already know. Now next you are going to the feature of slowing down your film or speeding it up. ×1 is normal speed and ×2 ×3 is pretty self-explanatory. And then when you go down to 0.5x or 0.3x, that slows it down. 0.3x is pretty slow, but it starts to skip a frame just because the frames per second that they record in is not compatible with most of the phones out there right now. So it kind of have this jittering when it's taking slow motion. So 0.5x is good for most people. I don't think you need to slow it down too much. I hope they kind of fix that in future updates, but otherwise, yeah, that's about it for that. And then you go into the effects tab, which is the next one. And this one's pretty self-explanatory as well. It has all your effects in terms of animations and filters and what have you. I'm not going to be using this today. You can always scroll through these and check it out when you have time. Finally is the timer. The timer is a pretty cool feature. You can actually just set your time to however long you want to actually record for, and you can go set timer. It will actually give you a 10-second timer before it actually starts recording the 2 seconds or 5 seconds or 15 seconds, whichever one you choose, just so it gives you time to go and get ready for that shot. Again, I'm not going to use this feature today, but otherwise what I'm going to be doing now is shoot a quick B-roll of a lens that I have actually, and yeah, we'll see how that turns out. And I may put some music on the end, but we'll see. So let me just do some filming with it and I'll show you guys the final product at the very end of the video. so basically I created my video, and once you go and press the right arrow, it takes you to share mode. Now from here, what you can do is choose your cover of the video. So what you can do is just tap onto cover, and you can basically scroll through your video and to see which one would be a good thumbnail. And for me, I think, to be honest, I think this one looks pretty good right here. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set that, and I'm going to go done, and it's going to set that as the cover, and maybe just a quick caption here. So for me, just a simple caption here, quick B-roll for today. And then I am just going to share this onto Reels. But what you can also do is you can actually share this onto stories. When you click on here, you're going to be able to just go share to stories, and that is pretty much done. And then if you want to go back, you just press the back arrow here, and then just go back to here. The only thing is you're going to have to re-choose your cover when you do this, so just keep that in mind. But if you don't mind, then yeah, you can just go back and do this kind of all over again. It'll keep your description the same. And then from here, you just go to share to Reels or save to draft if you want to save it for another time. But for me, share to Reels right now, and then it's going to just load up. Hey guys, so after tweaking a little bit, video on Instagram Reels and how I shot my B-roll. And if you guys want to learn more, just comment down below, and I might make a future video about the Instagram Reels, and maybe there's some updates that come in, and I'll try to update you guys on that. And if you guys want to hit that subscribe button if you are new here, smash that like button and turn on those notification bells for future videos that I release. And having said that, I will see you in the next one. Peace. Not bad. It's pretty good lighting in here. This thing's overheating. Oh, by the way, guys, the photo submission is still open. I'm gonna leave it open for a while just to curate some photos to edit. But if you missed the email, it's right here. So send 2 photos that you got, and yeah, I'll edit them.